हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैड ओवर मेकिंग। मेरा नाम पीयूष बंसल है और आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं डेटा रिसर्चर 1 प्रोफाइल अवेलेबल इन S&P ग्लोबल। तो इस जॉब वैकेंसी के लिए कोई भी फ्रेशर, एक्सपीरियंस्ड मेल एंड फीमेल, कोई भी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट कैंडिडेट अप्लाई कर सकता है। इट्स अ कोर फाइनेंशियल जॉब दैट यू विल बी गेटिंग इन द S&P ग्लोबल फॉर द प्रोफाइल ऑफ डेटा रिसर्चर 1 और वी कैन से डेटा एनालिस्ट प्रोफाइल। So आज की इस वीडियो में we are going to cover these many points. First about the job, like what is the job role that you will be performing, what will be the roles and responsibilities for this particular job, what will be the location and what is the salary package that they are offering, what will be the eligibility criteria, and last how to apply for this job. So these are the 5 points that we are going to cover in this video. So watch this video till the end so that you will be having an idea about the job and the roles and responsibilities for this job. I have already uploaded 2 videos related with the exam pattern, exam syllabus and the procedure for the interview and the written test so that you can get the idea about those things. I will provide you the link in the description from where you can prepare for the interview. So let's get started with the video. First we are going to see the company overview. It is an American company, publicly traded corporation headquartered in the New York City. Its a primary area of business are financial information and analytics. Next, about the job. As a data researcher, you will support the integrity and comprehensiveness of the data set by utilizing internal and external public research sources such as government and regulatory documents, stock exchange, industry journal, analyst report, as well as information database and internal research tools to collect, summarize and synthesize relevant information. So you have to update the proper information in their template that is already being developed by their team according to the client requirement. So we have to update the data in that template from the various reports that you will be getting. Next, what will be the roles and responsibilities for the data researcher? If we are talking about the roles and responsibility, the very first one is that you have to process the data, financial as well as non-financial, and apply it in an accurate manner to the database using technical and financial knowledge. So if we are working on the financial data, we have to analyze those financial statement, financial information from the annual report, quarterly report, semi-annually report and update the same in their template. As I am currently working on the financial process, so I will also provide you the detail if you need regarding your work. Next, collection, standardization and validation of the corporate annual, semi-annual or quarterly reports. Deliver on predefined individual and team targets, including delivering outcome with the quality and excellence. Will work within the parameters and with supervisions to ensure the quality and performance to set standards. So whatever the quality criteria that they have maintained according to their department specific, according to their work specific, so you have to maintain that quality along with your performance. So you have to maintain that quality and performance that is by your company or by your department. Next, troubleshoot problems or issues, provide and support to the team. So these are the roles and responsibilities that you will be performing as a data researcher. I will also provide you the link of their career portal where you will find those roles and responsibilities in the detailed form. So from where you can also read it out. Location and salary. Location will be Ahmedabad for the data researcher profile and salary is not disclosed in the job description or we can say on the website. So it will be totally depend or it will be discussed at the time of interview. As I cannot share you the salary part because I am currently working in the S&P Global, so it must be confidential. And other than that, the bonus and the benefits like Mediclaim, life insurance policies and the other bonuses will also be provided other than the salary. So we can say the CTC will be very good if you are getting the company and the profile. Just go with those. What will be the eligibility criteria? Eligibility criteria is post graduation, PGDM, MBA with any stream in finance, accountancy as a major subject. They also consider a science graduate candidate who is pursuing the post graduation in finance stream, well versed with the internet searching and Microsoft Office, ability to prioritize, multitask and deliver with regard to fast deadlines, and inquisitive and investigate nature, a positive attitude. And at last, experience part is 0 to 3 years of experience. It means freshers along with the experienced can apply for this profile. I have also joined this organization as a freshers, so you can also join this organization as a fresher if you fulfill the eligibility criteria other than the experience. At last, how to apply for this job. So I am going to show you the career portal of S&P Global, from where you can apply for this job without paying any fees or charge. You can apply for this job. Okay, so this is the career portal of S&P Global, where the various openings are available, but I am not going to show you all those openings available in S&P Global. So if you want to search out more for these opportunities, I will provide you the link of this career portal in the description, where you can explore the career portal of S&P Global and select the position in which you are comfortable or apply in that position where you fulfill the criteria. But I am going to show you the profile of Data Researcher 1 available in the S&P Global. I will provide you the link specifically for this page in the description, from where you can apply for this position. Here we can see the job location is Ahmedabad. As I already told you what they are looking into you. Here it is clearly written regarding the responsibilities, regarding the skill set that they required in you, the qualification, the experience, everything is written over here. You can read it out and understand what are the things that they're looking into you and what are the things that must be there in you. So here is the department, or here is the S&P Global Market Intelligence, the details related to the company written over here. So this is the page where the job vacancy is uploaded for the Data Researcher 1. So once you click on the apply option, the Workday portal will open. Here you have to create your login credentials by just clicking on the create account. If you already have the credentials, just put your username and the password and just click on the sign in. So once you click on the create account, email address, password and verify new password, and your account will be created. So once you create your account, this page will open. Here you will find the Data Researcher 1 profile over here, and then you will find this like upload your resume. I have already completed my profile section in the Workday portal, so it will be showing me like this, but you will open the Workday portal, it will be different to you. So open that, and every option will be the self-explanatory, so you can go with the process further regarding the uploading a resume, uploading certain details, certain documents. Self-explanatory process will be there. You can easily go with that process. If you still face any kind of problem in completing the process, you can ask me in the comment section, as well as over my Instagram. I will provide you the link of Instagram ID in the description. So this is all about the S&P Global hiring for the Data Researcher profile. Thanks for watching this video.